Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
This beach resort looks incredible. We should plan a trip.
That sounds lovely. A break would be nice.
Can we go to the beach? I could use a vacation. I'll build a big sandcastle.
Family! I have an announcement.
You burned dinner again?
I did not burn dinner. Well, last Tuesday, yes. But this is different.
This is exciting. What is it, Jason?
I booked us a trip on the famous Blue Danube Express, a real luxury train. It goes from Vienna through Budapest all the way to Bucharest. 3 countries, 4 days, real dining cars, sleeping cabins, mountains, rivers.
We're going on a train that goes through 3 countries?
3 countries!
This is the greatest day of my life!
Jason, when did you book this?
No, 2 hours ago.
Without talking to me first?
Technically, yes.
How much was it?
The price of happiness is not something we should put a number on.
Jason, how much?
A lot.
You are impossible.
Does impossible mean we're going?
Yes, Eli. It means we're going.
Guten Morgen. Willkommen in Wien.
Why does everything sound like someone is clearing their throat?
That's German, Eli.
It sounds very serious. Everything sounds like an important announcement.
Ausgang. Exit. I speak German. All aboard the Blue Danube Express. Final boarding call. This way, please. Mind the gap. Safe travels, everyone. Next stop, Vienna.
Dad. Yeah?
Yeah?
This is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my entire life.
Good morning. Welcome to the Blue Danube Express. May I see your tickets, please? Here we are, the Miller family, 4 passengers. Come, sir.
Wow, look at that big building! It's so tall!
And the river is beautiful.
It really is. What an amazing view.
This is the best trip ever! I called the top bunk! This is my bunk! This is my kingdom! You didn't ask anyone. It's my kingdom now! We'll see about that.
I called it. In my heart. That counts. There are 2 top bunks, Vanessa. 1 each. Fine. Acceptable.
Look at that. The Danube River. The same river that Beethoven walked beside. The same river that Mozart...
Dad, who is Beethoven?
A very famous composer. He was born in this part of the world. He wrote incredible music even after he went completely deaf.
That's so cool! He made music when he couldn't hear it?
Yes.
That is the saddest and most amazing thing I have ever heard.
He could hear it in his head. He said the music lived inside him.
I think I have dinosaur facts living inside me the same way.
Living inside you like passengers?
Yeah, they help me know cool stuff.
That's a very creative idea, Eli.
Oh, pardon, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there.
That's okay. I'm small, but I'm important.
I like that. I'm Camille, I'm from Paris.
I mean, I live in England, but right now I'm here, on this train. You understand? I understand perfectly. Is your family on this train? My mum, my dad, and my sister Vanessa. You? My grandmother. She loves trains. She has taken this exact journey 7 times. This is my first time.
7 times? On this train?
She says each time is different. New people, new stories. Eli, Mom wants... Oh. Hello, I'm me. I'm Vanessa. Sorry about my brother, he talks to everyone.
I love it. Most people on trains look at their phones. He was looking out the window.
I prefer real life to phone life. Don't tell him that's smart. He'll never let us forget it.
Ah, Camille has found friends already. Excellent. Sit, sit.
Thank you, Madame. I'm Vanessa. This is my brother Eli.
Enchanté, delighted to meet you both. I am Isabelle. Camille calls me grandmère. You may also call me grandmère if you like. I am everyone's grandmother on this train by the time we reach Budapest.
Camille says you've taken this journey 7 times.
7 times, yes. The first time was with my late husband, Pierre. That was 1987. The train was different then. Older, slower, but the mountains were the same.
What feeling?
The feeling that the world is very large and very beautiful, and that you are very lucky to be moving through it.
I feel that right now.
Then you are paying attention, young Eli. Most people your age are not paying attention.
I was born curious.
The best people are.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now crossing the border into Hungary. Welcome to Magyar territory. Look.
Wow, sunflowers. Dad, I can't read this menu. It's in 3 languages.
The English section is on the right.
Slow braised beef goulash with Hungarian paprika dumplings and sour cream. What is goulash?
It is Hungary's most famous dish. Beef, paprika, vegetables. It is Hungary's most famous dish. Beef, paprika, vegetables, cooked very slowly until everything is soft and rich. It is like a warm hug in a bowl.
I want the warm hug in a bowl. It was a great journey.
Yes, it was. For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.